Once upon a time,
Yeah.
in a file system far, far away, there were 3 types of profiles.
Nerd. Today's tech topic, profiles. Local, roaming, redirected. What they are, plus and cons of each one. You ready for this?
No.
All right. Let's start with the basics, what I consider to be the oldest one, the local profile.
Local profile stored on the hard drive.
Everything.
No backup unless you're doing a local backup. No protection, obviously, at that point in time. So if your drives die, gone forever.
The big plus to this is everything you have right there, easy accessible. Network outage, you go on the road, everything's at your fingertips. You don't have to worry about catching a server, bad internet, being out in the middle of the boonies. Everything's right there.
No caching. Obviously, the best speed access then, because you're not relying on that network.
I would say, yeah, best speed access, which also is part of the con on that one, is because you have the best. But if you lose that laptop, you lose that hard drive, you drop it, it gets stolen, taken.
You lose everything.
You lose everything. It is gone.
Especially if you're one of those people that don't back up anything.
True. Yes, I would definitely say if you're going to have a local profile, back that sucker up.
Next one, obviously roaming.
Roaming. I'd say the benefit to this one is half local, half not. Still saved on a server, but every time you go to access your profile, wherever you access that, it's going to download your profile to you.
Con side of that is because it's downloading it, the larger your profile, the longer your actual login time.
Also, the con to that is if you log onto multiple computers, you will leave a nice sized trail. So somebody who knows what they're doing, knows how to get into there. If they do take that machine,
your files are on that drive, which means can be stolen, can be hacked.
Yep, or people can see where you're going.
Now, if you use drive encryption, you can have some protections against that. But overall, most people may not have that on there. Your business may not use it, which opens that up for hacking.
Yep, so there you go. You go from not quite local to a little bit faster. The load time, I'd say that's one of the big...
That's the big downside is...
loading that.
You gotta log in and wait for it to come down.
But once it comes down, speeds are great again.
Yep, and your entire profile is basically backed up on that server.
Yep.
Which brings us to redirected.
Redirected. From an IT standpoint, I could say this is a great one because security-wise, you're pretty safe. I mean, there's nothing really cached. You got a few little files. I'm not gonna say nothing.
Your app data will be local, and it's really determined by your server admins and whoever's doing your profile. Are they syncing? Just documents and desktop. Are they syncing all the profile pieces? Now, the hard part is some software does not like redirected app data. It likes that local app data folder, and it looks for that. Now, there's ways around that, but that's one con with redirected.
Yeah, I will say the logon time, significantly quicker. Your profile will start up instantly. You log in.
As long as the network's good.
As long as...
That's the trade-off with redirected, is because it's fully dependent upon the network. You log in, you're getting that fast login time, as long as your network's good. If you have a network outage, unless you're using something like offline files.
Yeah, your offline files, but then you're caching it once again. Your security, so much better. If somebody does come in, you lose your computer, something gets stolen.
Your computer burns down.
You're safe. Everything's going to be backed up on the server. Everything is reliant on mostly on the server.
Basically, it's reliant on your server admins to do their job and back up your data at that point in time. But your data is centralized so that they can actually do their part.
Yep. Once again, bad things, if you go out in the field, you leave the office, you're looking at a VPN to log in.
Yep, VPN or offline.
Or offline files.
Yep. But the trade-off is you use offline files, you could run into some synchronization issues depending on you made changes at home on a computer, you logged into a different computer at work, you made changes there. Now the systems have to decide which one takes precedence.
Which one's right, which one's not.
And there again, that's a con on redirected, but overall a really good type that could be used in enterprises.
So I think that's a quick little touch on the 3 profiles, kind of giving you the plus, cons, what they are, how they work. If you got any other questions, comments, and or concerns, please leave comments. Reach out to us. Let us know what you thought.
Yeah, thanks for watching.